Welcome. If you've ever scrolled through a busy Telegram channel and wondered how to quickly find all the photos, videos, and files shared there, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to view all shared media in a specific Telegram channel, fully updated for 2025. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the internet for the best experience. Once you're in, you'll see your list of chats and channels. Scroll through or use the search bar at the top to find the channel where you want to view shared media. Once you found your channel, tap to open the chat. At the top of the screen, you'll see the channel's picture or name. Tap on it. This will open the channel's info page where you can see details like the channel description, member count, and more. Now, look for the horizontal list of options. This is usually right below the channel name and photo. Here, you'll see tabs like Media, Files, Links, and sometimes even Voice or Music, depending on what's been shared in the channel. Tap on the Media tab. Inside the Media section, you'll find all the photos and videos that have been shared in the channel, neatly organized in a grid or list. You can scroll through to browse everything at a glance. If you're looking for something specific, just keep scrolling until you spot the image or video you want. Tap on any media item to view it in full screen, and from there, you can download or forward it as needed. This feature is incredibly useful for catching up on missed content, saving important images, or simply reliving your favorite moments from the channel. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can access every photo and video ever shared in your favorite Telegram channel, making it easier than ever to stay organized and connected. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a quick Telegram tip. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.